I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for high school biology. To truly master biology, move beyond just reading your textbook. Instead, actively recall information by quizzing yourself on key terms and processes. Try explaining complex concepts out loud as if you are teaching someone else. This method helps identify knowledge gaps quickly and strengthens your memory retention significantly. Focus on understanding the why behind biological functions, not just memorizing facts. Visual learning is incredibly powerful for biology. Draw detailed diagrams of cellular processes, organ systems, or genetic crosses. Creating concept maps helps you see how different topics connect, forming a cohesive understanding rather than isolated facts. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing a large volume of vocabulary and definitions, ensuring you know the precise meaning of each term. This approach builds a strong foundational knowledge. Consistency is key to long-term retention in biology. Don't cram. Instead, review your notes and textbook sections regularly throughout the week. Actively solve practice problems from your textbook, worksheets, and online resources to apply your knowledge. Consider forming a small study group to discuss challenging topics and quiz each other. Explaining concepts to peers can reveal areas needing more attention and deepen your understanding. Applying your knowledge makes biology more engaging and memorable. Look for real-world examples of biological principles, like how genetics influences disease or how ecosystems function. Practice analyzing experimental data and interpreting results, a crucial skill for higher-level biology. Remember, staying hydrated is also vital for focus and overall well-being during long study sessions. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.